Utah, northwestern Utah County in northern Utah, southeastern Tualatin County in northern Utah, until 6:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 5:38 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from 13 miles south of Great Salt Lake south of the causeway to near Dugway English Village, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 81 and 110. Locations impacted include Salt Lake City, Tooele, Grantsville, Dugway English Village, Stansbury Park, Vernon, Ophir, Tooele Army Depot, Tooele Army Depot South, Magna, Bingham Canyon Mine, Squall Valley, Great Salt Lake south of the causeway, Stockton, Rush Valley, Herta, Faust, Lake Point and Antelope Island State Park. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.